Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common skincare concern, blackheads in those hard-to-reach areas like the nose and chin. But before we dive in, I want to introduce you to a product that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, the Aizen Power Male Enhancement Supplement. If you're looking to enhance your vitality and overall well-being, be sure to check out the link in the description for more information. Now, let's get into our topic for today. Blackheads can be pesky little things, especially when they pop up in areas that are tough to reach. But fear not, because I've got some tips to help you keep those blackheads at bay. Tip 1. Cleanse regularly. Make sure you're cleansing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. This helps remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to blackheads. Tip 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliation is key to keeping those hard-to-reach areas clear. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a chemical exfoliant containing ingredients like salicylic acid to help unclog pores and prevent blackheads. Tip 3. Use a clay mask. Clay masks are great for drawing out impurities from the skin, including blackheads. Apply a clay mask to your nose, chin, and other problem areas once or twice a week to help keep blackheads at bay. Tip 4. Steam your face. Steam can help open up pores and make it easier to remove blackheads. Try steaming your face once a week by holding your face over a bowl of hot water for a few minutes before cleansing. So there you have it, some simple yet effective tips to prevent blackheads in those hard-to-reach areas. And remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the Aizen Power Male Enhancement Supplement for a natural boost in vitality and energy. Click the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.